Today I wanted to show you how easy it is to use generative AI to create a business ID pitch in less than 2 hours. That means creating a brand, a business plan, a product, a web page, a YouTube launch video, and a marketing campaign. Anyway, you get the point. So let's just dive in and see how I did this. Okay, so here we go. The timer is off. So the first thing I wanted to do was head over to my script. You can see I wrote this. It's kind of a simple script, actually. There's nothing special here. It's just basically based on that you have to do some user inputs about your business, as we will see now. So I think the first is like, what is your business ID? And here I think we put down, what was it? Building an app that tracks all your health data from blood glucose, heart rate to even vitamin levels, analyzing these data and recommend a personal diet and training program. So that was the app, that was our product, and your brand focus was to new tech startup with the latest and most advanced technology supported 100% by AI. Target audience with all demographic that was average, above average, thinking about optimizing their health. Our marketing aim was fitness and health influencers on YouTube and on podcasts. The final inputs I had was like, this technology could improve longevity with more than 45% if it was applied correctly. So here now you can see like all the input information we got in. And here the script has run, so we get all of this. We get the business plan, we get some brand name suggestions, we get some brand color suggestions, and we get finally like a product info about our app and what it's about. So we even got a name here. I think it was Deep MH. I don't know why, but you can also see we get these in text files. Both this and of course the business plan in separate text files. So basically that is our script. You get a product info in one file and you get this big file with a lot of the business plan and the name suggestions and colors and all about the brand. Some information, as we're gonna see soon here now. So yeah, you can see we got some different brand IDs, some different color IDs. And here you can just see me mocking all up in like a Word document. That is basically the whole business plan. We're gonna take a closer look at that probably at the end of the video. But you can see me here just cleaning all up. And here we got some logo prompts I created. There's an app icon and there's a logo. So I wanted to head over to Midjourney and try to create like an app icon and a logo for our business. And I think that worked out pretty good. I also started while I was waiting for Midjourney to just run, because I just put it on relax. It takes some time. Yeah, and here you can see I do the logo, I did the app icon. Then I start just working on my web page for this startup. So deep longevity, deep MH, probably app. Yeah, so that was our headline. We put in our taglines, some information about the business. I basically took the whole business plan and put it up on our web page. You can see here now we're starting to get some good ideas for logos. It worked out pretty good with this prompt. Like I tried to do like no text. Here's our app icons. So I think it worked out pretty good. You can also see I created some graphs and market analysts and different other images for our web page. So here's our logo. I just went with this kind of font, uploaded this logo I went for, just did some small adjustments here in Canva, clean it up a bit, and yeah, just put them together and added some colors to the font. So there we had our logo. So I think I just went back to the web page, put that on top, and that was good. I kind of wanted to create like an advertisement also for the app. I guess this is our app icon. So I thought I'd put like just Apple Store, Google Play. Was it now available? Yeah, I think. and a name like Deep MH. Now think about it, it's a very strange name. So we put that on the webpage. Thought it looked quite good. Could have probably changed the background color, but here you can see I added some other graphs I made. They're very fake, but you get the point. And then I wanted to create like a YouTube script for the launch video. So I went just to the GPT-3 playground, put in this prompt, and I just added some from and we got this script. I thought it pretty good. This is like the first shot we did. I kind of liked it, so I just went for it. Went over to Azure Speech Studio to get this as a voiceover. And yeah, I think it turned out pretty good actually. You're gonna hear it now in the video after, so but I was quite happy with it. I like the voice, and that didn't took me long. So, and now it was just editing the launch video. That's the last thing I did. Went quite okay. I think I spent maybe like 25 minutes creating this. I was happy with it, so it turned out pretty good. Here I just created a thumbnail for the YouTube video or the launch video. Just put something together, and then it was just uploading the video, and basically from there I think we had all we needed. And I just embedded the launch video into our webpage. So pretty much that was all I had on the plan, and you can see it here. I think it looks quite good actually. So yeah, I was very happy with how it turned out. So now let's just head over to the web page and go a bit deeper into everything. Okay, so that was done 150, so that was quite fast actually. So now let's just go over what we have created here. So we got this launch page, I will call it, for a startup. So we got our logo, we got our tagline, data-driven decision for a better you. We got the launch video, we're gonna watch that. Here's some information about the business, building a trapped the app, your health data for blood glucose, heart rate, and even vitamin levels. It's located in Oslo, Norway, founded November 2022. The company description, like Deep Longevity is a young and innovative company specializing in developing an app that tracks all your health data. Our vision is to provide people with the ability to control their health and optimize their well-being. And there's something about the app here. We got our app image, so that the logo for the app, kind of like that. Let's have a look at the product description. Deep Longevity is Deep MH Health App, cutting edge tool that helps you live longer, healthier life. Yeah, so that was good. Deep MH is constantly evolving to provide users with the most up-to-date information about longevity and aging. Okay, so here's more about the business plan. So we got the market analyst. The global digital health market is expected to grow from 54 billion in 2019 to 173 billion by 2025. The increasing prevalence of chronic diseases, growing need for remote patient monitoring, adoption of fitness and wellness programs are major factors for driving the growth of this market. Okay, that was not bad. Product and services, I guess we've been over that. That's the Deep MH app. Business model, okay. We are planning to use a freemium business model for our app. We will offer a basic version of the app for free and charge a monthly subscription fee for the premium version. Okay, that's not bad. Competitive analysis. There are a few other apps that offer similar features, but we believe that our app will have a competitive advantage due to its personalized recommendations and its ability to track a wide range of health data points. So the management team consists of CEO Sarah Smith, CTO Mike Jones, and CFO Lisa Weinberg. Okay, financial plan. We are seeking $250,000 for product development, $500,000 for marketing, and $1.5 million for general and administrative expenses. We believe that this funding is sufficient to get the company to profitability. Okay. Exit strategy. Our exit strategy is to either be acquired by a larger company or to go public to an initial public offering. Okay, so this was cool. I kind of like it. It's like a really quick way to get like a startup business idea, concept, art, whatever you want to call it. So this could be like a pitch, if you get the point. So let's have a look at the video, the launch video.
Deep Longevity is proud to present DeepMage, the first health app of its kind to use saliva samples to accurately track epigenetic markers of aging. DeepMage is a cutting-edge tool that can help you live a longer, healthier life. The app uses artificial intelligence to track the rate of aging and provides personalized recommendations for lifestyle and dietary changes that can help improve your longevity. With DeepMage, you can take control of your health and age gracefully. DeepMage is constantly evolving to provide users with the most up-to-date information on longevity and aging. So what are you waiting for? Download DeepMage today and start living your best life.
I like it. I'm pretty happy with that, I gotta say. Turned out pretty good. It was not too long, it was not too short, and it kind of came across very clearly what the app is gonna be like. So yeah, very happy with that. So overall, gotta say, this worked out almost even better than I thought. So probably I'm gonna have to make another one with a whole different concept. So let me know in the comments if you want to see that. Anyway, yeah, very happy. So hopefully this video gave you some good ideas. If you want to learn how to create scripts like the one I used in this video, you should check out my membership that hopefully is launching soon. We're gonna do step-by-step tutorials and create a GitHub repository so we can share our scripts. But anyway, that was all for today. Thank you for watching and have a great